Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Thornbury today, which means we also go to the recycling centre. I think there's about 7 charity shops, but let's do the recycling centre one first. One of those puzzles. I did puzzles, did quite a few a while back. They weren't particularly popular videos, so I stopped doing them. But I saw this in the recycling centre. Cost me 50p. It's 4 plastic dice that you have to arrange so that the numbers all add up to the same number on each side, which happens to be 10 if you think about it. They're not normal dice, they're not 1 to 6 all the way around, you only go up to 4. And I've already had a look at this, which is why it already says 1, 4 is 5, and 4 is 9, and 1 is 10. 3 and 1's 4, 8, 9, 10. 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 and 4 is 10. And 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 10. It took me quite a while to crack it, to be honest. I had to sit down and write the numbers out. First of all, I wrote down the numbers that were on the board, or on the dice. So that one's 2, 4, 3, 2. So we've got 2, where are we? 2, 4, 3, 2, going that way around. And then 1 and 3 on the sides. I did that for all 4 dice. Then I actually put them into a spreadsheet just to make the adding the numbers up easily, and then just rearrange them. If you move it down 1, then the 2 becomes the 4, 4 becomes the 3 becomes the 2, and that 2 goes to the top. If you want to turn those round, then you have to do 1 to 4, and then that 3 drops down to that 2 there, and that 2 comes up to that 1 there. Easier if I show you, I suppose. So we've got 2, 4, 3, 2. So if I want to change that 4 to that 1, if you turn that way, then that 4 goes to the side, and the other side of that was that 2, which is that 2, and that 2 goes up to there. So 4 becomes 1, and the 2 goes up to there. It takes you a bit of getting your head around to get it right, but I just played around with it until eventually I got the sequence that gave me 1, 4, 4, 1 is 10, 3, 1, 4, 2, 10, 3, 2, 1, 4, 10, 2, 3, 2, 3, 10. So, done that. Don't need to do a separate video. Next thing, British Heart Foundation, this was, I think, or was it Cancer Research? I'll have to check the receipts. Another one of those Chicco toys that I have problems with. I can never get radio control or infrared to talk to them. But I was looking at this and I was thinking, I don't know if it's got any form of control at all. It might be infrared, or it might not. It's called Drift, and it's just got 1 driving wheel. These are not connected to anything. So I thought I'd buy it and just find out how it works. Probably take it apart. So that'll be a separate video. Cost me £1.99, which is double what I like to pay, but I was just interested to try and figure out how it works. And then the last thing, a Revell plastic kit. Now, most of the charity shops I go in, if they sell one of these, they want silly prices for them. £10, £15, £20, because they're historical. historical, vintage. This one, 1970 by Revell. So that's, what's that, 30, 40 odd years old? I couldn't believe it. £1.49. I thought, well, I've got to buy it at that price. Had a look inside. The box is a bit damaged. What was this? Oxfam, this one was. Yeah, £1.49. But the kit's not been opened. That's still sealed. I'm in two minds what to do with it. I'd like to make it. In fact, I think it would take a little electric motor quite easily. Just for in the bath, not much good going across the lake, it's a bit small. But on the other hand, that is a vintage kit. But if you wanted to buy that anywhere, that would be a silly price. What I call a silly price anyway, more than I'd normally pay. So I don't know whether I'm going to make it or not. I'll have to think about it. I quite fancy making it. But as a vintage kit, costing me only £1.49, I don't know. I'll have to think on that.